Okay, so today we are going to learn about writing skills, and in writing skills we are going to learn about letter writing, how to write a letter. Okay, so let's start with it. So now when we are writing a letter, first we should know that what is the definition of a letter or what is a letter. Okay, so what is a letter? It is a written or a printed communication which is directed to a person or an organization. Organization, you can say company, institute, or a group. Okay, so it is a written or printed communication. Whatever you want to say, you just write or you just print and then you send to that person or to that organization, or we can say to that company, to that institute, or any group. Now letters how may be created and sent as, how can you form letters and how can you send? So first one is email. Email or electronic transmission. Transmission means carrying or spreading or circulating anything. Okay. Second is hand delivered transmission, means when you are writing and you are delivering with hands. Okay. Last one is regular mail transmission. Mails, like you people are sending your work by mail to me. So that is also a way of sending your communication or your anything which you have written, you can send it to me in mail process also. So these are the three ways by which you can create your letters: email, hand delivered transmission, and regular mail transmissions. Okay. Now, what are the objectives? Why should we write a letter? Nowadays, we are not writing letters. We are using WhatsApps. We are using Twitter message, and then we send everything from there only. But when we were writing letters, and now also when we want to write formal letter, we have to write it, no? Either we send mail, so in mail also we write something or the other. So what is the main objective? To teach students to read letters or letter requests carefully before responding. Responding means before saying something in reply. You should teach the students must know that when you are receiving a letter, how you have to reply it back. Second, to teach the students the importance of creating formal and informal documents. Okay, how to make formal letter, how to make informal letter. Next, to teach students basic letter formats. Format means structure, basic structure of a letter, and letter writing strategies. Strategies means master plans or programs, how you write the basic letters. And then to teach students letter writing etiquettes. When you are writing a letter, you should know how to write a formal letter, how to write informal letter, and what are the manners, how are you going to write that letter. Okay. Okay, so let's move to another page. Now, what are the etiquettes? Letter writing etiquettes. What is etiquette? Etiquette is what? It is good manners or appropriate or accepted social practices that reflect and promote civility. Now, appropriate means proper. Okay. Then it's saying that uh, accepted social practices that reflect and promote civility. We don't need to learn so much about etiquettes. It's like only good manners to write. And promote civility means to help to develop good manners. Okay. Now, when should you write a letter? Again, first, what are the objectives? And now, when should you write a letter? When we write a letter, when you want to thank someone who has been gracious to you, means polite. Gracious means polite, kind, or helpful to you. So, one is when you want to thank somebody. Second is when you need assistance. Assistance means help. When you need help or answers to help you make intelligent decisions. When you want to make some good decisions and you need help, then also you can write letters. To respond to a letter or letter request that you have recently received. When you want to reply to a letter which you have received, you do not want to wait for a long time. That time also we write letters. To create legal documents. When you want to make legal documents, means lawful documents that record information and support claims that are they are like recorded informations, and they are supporting declarations also, supporting claims also. Then when you want to show that you are courteous and professional, detail oriented person who is aware of etiquettes. So when you are courteous, you are polite, you are professional. Professional means when you are in some belonging to some profession like teacher, or you can say profession also, you can say like your career. Detail oriented means when you want to give detailed information about anything and you are that type of person, so that time also you write a letter, and you are aware, you are more aware of your etiquettes also. So this is when we should write a letter. Now, what are the basic points? How are we going to write a letter? Okay, let me just move it here. So first is it should be in the correct format. When you are writing a letter, the letter should be in the correct format. It should be short and to the point. Okay. When you are writing to a letter, it should be short and it should be to the point. It means you cannot write anything in a letter. Okay. Suppose if you are writing a formal letter, your language should be formal only. You can't write anything, whatever is coming in your mind. So third is relevant. Relevant means it should be closely connected to what you are writing. Suppose if you are writing an application, then the letter should contain only those points. Okay. Then it should be free of any grammatical or spelling mistakes. Before sending the letter by mail or soft copy or hard copy, you should check that the letter is not having any grammatical or spelling mistakes. Then is, even if you are complaining, if you're writing a letter as a complaint, then also the letter should be in a polite way. Okay. Then it should be well presented. When you are sending a letter, you are writing a letter, the presentation should be very good. Okay. Now, types of letters. When we talk about types of letters, letters are generally of two types. First is your formal and second is your informal. Now, what is the difference between formal and informal? Okay. What is the main difference? See, a formal letter is written for professional. Professional means either official or business purpose, and it is for professional communication, written in formal language with a specific format for business or official purpose. When you are writing a formal letter, your language is also formal and it is in a specific format. Okay. And types of formal letters are like, if you want to find an inquiry for anything, you write a letter of inquiry, a letter of request, or a letter of complaint. Next is informal letter. Informal letter is used for personal communication. When you are talking, you are communicating personally with your friends, with your grandparents, with your cousins, with your uh, neighbors, anyone. Okay, you can write this to anybody who is personal to you, and they are written either to friends or they are written to relatives, and there is no strict format. Like when you write a formal letter, there is a formal language, but when you write an informal letter, there is no strict format to write an informal letter. This is the basic difference. So general main thing, what is the main difference? Formal letter is written for professional communication. It is a letter which is written either to official or business purpose, and informal letter is written to relatives and friends. This is only the main difference. So now we are going to study the format of informal letter. This is the format, this is the basic structure of writing an informal letter. First, you have to write sender's address. Then you have to write the date. Now here you can see date format is given in two forms. Either you can write 26 April 2021, or you can write April 26, 2021. one or the other, you can choose any one format. Then salutation is how you greet. If you are writing informal letter, you can write dear. If you are writing formal letter, you will write respected sir or madam. Then comes the content. What information you want to give, or what is the purpose of writing this letter? Why are you writing this letter? Last is your loving friend, that is your subscription. Subscription means your signature, or you can say it's a short piece of writing which you are writing at the end of a document. So this is the format of your letter. Now we'll talk about the letter. As according to the format, the first one was your sender's address. So you are sending, so you can use 3 lines. Okay. So here I have written this letter, and this is a letter to a pen pal, pen friend. Pen friend means a letter which is written by pen. And this is a letter that you were reading your school magazine and you came to know about a friend in Malaysia, and now you are writing a letter to your pen friend. So when you are writing a letter to a friend who is in Malaysia, you have to mention that you are writing this letter from India. So first line I have written like Surya Villa A5. Second line I have written street, street number 1. Then road, that is Ajmer Road. Then Byawar, which is in Rajasthan, and then India. Next, I have taken the date 26 April 2021. Then how am I greeting? As I'm writing this informal letter, so I'll write Dear Ravi. You can change the name here also, and you can change the name here. Here whose name will come? Your name will come. So how are you writing? Hello, how are you? Hope you are in pink of your health. Pink of your health means you are in good health. I am fine here. I was reading my school magazine, happened to read your article. It was incredible. You can't compare it with anything else. And I liked it. I also found similarities in our hobbies. I got your address in the magazine. I would like to be your friend, and I shall be elated. Elated means I shall be happy to have a friend like you. So this is the content of your letter, waiting for your reply. And this is the subscription, your loving friend, Akshay. So here you can change your name, the name of your friend, and here you are going to write your name. This is an example. So that's why I've written Ravi and Akshay. You are going to write your name here when you are ending the letter, and here you can write your friend's name. So this is all about your informal letter. Okay.